Hey guys, Eric here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the life cycle of butternut squash. You have butternut squash, the regular orange squash that you see, spaghetti squash, and then you have big other types of squash that are green, yellow, mixtures of colors. And here at one of our gardens we have butternut squash growing. I'm taking you guys to go see it. And we have at least 5 of those plants, at least 5 or more of those plants that we are growing, and here they are. The growing season for butternut squash is about 110 days to 120 days. Each vine that comes from the plant can grow to about 15 feet and can also produce 10 to 20 squash. Throughout the life of butternut squash, they should be fed regularly because they are very heavy feeders. When your plants start flowering and producing fruit, you should keep a very close eye on your plants because bugs can easily come and eat them. Along with the help from bumblebees, you can self-pollinate your butternut squash by getting a Q-tip and rubbing alongside the stamen of the male flower to collect the pollen. And once your female flowers are open and ready, you can rub the pollen that you collected onto the pistil of the female flower. Your squash is ready to harvest when it is hard and the skin is very difficult to pierce with your thumbnail. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We hope that you have a great growing season for your butternut squash. Follow us on Instagram at EBLLC INC and on Facebook at Eastern Banks Learning and Life Center. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.